Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixadroit Art. In today's video, I am going to draw Night Fury. Night Fury is a dragon from How to Train Your Dragon movie. Last time I draw Stormfly and now I am drawing Night Fury. My next video will also be on Night Fury. I will draw Night Fury in a different pose. Here I am drawing him from a side point of view. It is a really good dragon and I suggest you should watch his movie How to Train Your Dragon. I started with his wings and after that I draw his neck and his mouth and then I draw his legs. Night Fury has a crippled tail. Actually his tail was injured when he was attacking on Burke. Burke is a Viking's place in this movie and he was attacking on them, and at that time Hiccup shot him and his tail got injured and he was not able to fly. So Hiccup made some arrangements and created some tools and fixed it on his tail, and after that he was able to fly. Please enjoy the process now. In the next segment, I will refine this sketch. These are my speed up videos because it take lot of time to draw something, to sketch something. So I thought I should speed up those processes so that you can get a broad view what was my approach while I was drawing a character. Hope you have enjoyed the process. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys and see you in my next video. Bye everyone.